Hi, welcome to Mondays with Melissa. Today I want to talk about how important our initial consultation is. A lot of times people come and they expect to kind of just have a conversation, which is okay, but when we have a consultation set up, we send out a questionnaire and a document list, and sometimes people can be overwhelmed by it, but it's so important for us to have this information at the initial meeting, because with one look at the questionnaire that we send out, I'm able to kind of take a scan of exactly what the situation is, and whether we're talking about estate planning or Medicaid or guardianship, having that picture of the family members and the assets and how things are held and where they're held makes all the difference in the world in being able to have an educated conversation about what we need to do, what has to happen next. The document list can also be overwhelming for people sometimes. We need deeds, tax bills for property, your last tax return, copies of the most recent bank statements, and then also if we're doing a Medicaid application, we may need some personal documents like copy of a marriage certificate or a spouse's death certificate, copies of health insurance premiums, Social Security award letters, and pension award letters, as well as any military documentation. So we know that this can really be overwhelming, and sometimes people come and say, I wasn't going to bring all of that for the first meeting, I just want to talk and see if there's a fit. Totally fine, but just to keep in mind that if you really want to have a good, educated, concise consultation and walk out with a plan in place, the more information you can give us, the better. So that's just something that I notice a lot recently with people kind of not wanting to put the documents together, or maybe not thinking it was important to fill out the questionnaire when it really is so important for us to have all of that information. Please like, share, and subscribe. Check me out on Legally Melissa on Instagram and Facebook, and on our website at conaelderlaw.com, and we'll see you next Monday.